education this day and age to read any good news on the newspaper.
Hey guys, Brian here with another educational tip of the day. Today we're going to talk about inquiry-based learning. What this methodology is whenever you pose a question to your kids of, hey Billy, what do you want to learn about today? They respond with an answer, and then you help to kind of facilitate or direct the learning style or the outcome of that learning. It takes a lot of hands-on approach, can take technology approach, but it's more student-driven in regards to their kind of thinking that they're leading the entire thing and really kind of problem solving this entire question or their learning section of the day. It's great to kind of break the monotony of sitting in front of a computer screen, but at the same time, keeping their brain active, keeping them thinking creatively on how to solve problems where you're not having to fully dedicate all your time to help facilitate the correct answer. It's more there coming up with a solution, coming up with the steps and sequences to come to that solution, and you're there to kind of help guide it and make sure you get the results that you're expecting out of it. So it's a great one to break up the monotony of your day, and hope you can somehow figure a way to incorporate it. And that's your educational tip of the day.